Hi, welcome to Formula. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete support ticketing system using Google Forms and Formula. This is perfect for IT teams, tech startups, e-commerce businesses, and small companies that need simple and automated help desk workflow. This setup will automatically collect support issues, notify your teams instantly, and send confirmation emails all without a single coding. Let's get started. First, you want to navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Formula, and click on Install. For this, I have a whole video showing you the step-by-step process. Just click on our videos and you see it right there. Next, you want to go to Google Forms. Select your form or create a new one. For this video, I already have a form set out. Add the essential fields that you want your customers or clients to fill whenever they have a support issue. Click on add-ons and form mailer. So your form mailer will automatically be linked to the email address you used to install your form mailer. So this will also be linked to the Google form on that email address. Now you want to put in your company's name, sender's name, whatever name you want your clients to see whenever they receive your form notifications after filling out their Google Forms. Next, you want to go to email templates. Select respondent. This is what your clients receive immediately after submitting a form. Set up your respondent mail. For this tutorial, I already have my mail set up, but simple trick, if you want to include whatever fields from your Google form, all you have to do is click on insert form and you just click on whatever category from your Google Forms, save changes. Second is your recipients. So this is your internal team and what they receive to follow up on immediately a form is submitted. Same process. For this, all you have to do is also insert the fields you want them to see and you want them to fix from the Google form and save changes. Then you want to go to your recipient's details. So these are your internal team, either customer service, partners, or anyone you want receiving the forms so that they can fix the issues being raised by your customer. An example, and you can put in as many team members as you like. Example, click enter, and all you have to do is when you're done setting up your formula, save changes. And that's it. Your form has been set up, and now let us test this. Copy. Departments, let's just do and submit. your team will automatically receive a mail here, as you can see, with your company name or brand name, showing all the support issues that they need to fix. And your client also receives a mail letting them know that their form has been submitted and the team will fix the issue and revert shortly. And that's it. You've just built a full support ticketing system using Google Forms and Form Mailer. With Form Mailer, you get 10 free mails and you can upgrade this each month. You simply go to add-ons, click on Form Mailer, manage account, and you will receive either $3 a month with 15,000 emails monthly and 24-hour support, or $30 a year with 15,000 emails monthly, 16% discount, and 24-hour support. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, install Form Mailer. Let us know what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thank you.